This is Phil from Lenexa, Kansas, and I'm installing my POSSPO Jupiter CD player in my 2022 Toyota Avalon. As you can see, the unit is already in my glove compartment with the connecting wire going into the USB port, which hooks me up to my radio, which you can see is excuse me, showing right now. It's showing the radio on. Instructions say just load the CD, which I just did, and then I hit source on my radio and it will tell me to reorder. It's checking the USB, and then it'll say select audio source, and this is how it works in the Toyota. So you hit the audio, Bluetooth, okay, and this is the Journey CD that's playing right now, as you can hear it, and that's it. Very simple. Again, I apologize for my pushing different things on the radio. I'm learning as we go, but it is a very simple installation, and I had it up and running within 60 seconds once I put it in the glove box. So you can't beat that. No hissing, no clicking, no funny noises. Works really great. If you're looking for a CD player, I would highly recommend this unit. That's it. Enjoy.